Welcome to the Stronghold Digital Mining Daily Update. Today's Friday, September 17th. September 17th? What am I even saying? Today's Friday, March 17th, 2023. I'm not sure where September came from. Sorry about that. In any event, let's go over some numbers. So in the PJM Penelec portion of the grid, which is where the Scrubgrass power plant is located, on average, grid prices today were around $22.13. So pretty darn low. In the PJM PP&L portion of the grid, that's where Panther Creek is located, grid prices on average today so far have been around $20.78. So again, we're talking about a grid environment that's being priced very, very much on the low side, to say the least. Now, it's a completely different story when we talk about basically Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour. On average, so far today, Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour have averaged $85.76. That is phenomenal. And of course, that is in part powered by the fact that Bitcoin itself is trading around $27,700 per coin. So I'm pretty sure the price of Bitcoin has largely just, gone up this entire week. So that's a really positive tailwind for the company, given the fact that we have the optionality, right? Instead of just selling electricity to the grid, we can, of course, use the electricity we create ourselves to mine Bitcoin, or alternatively, idle the power plants and buy or import, right, the electricity from the grid, which on average today was around $21 if you look at Penelec and PP&L together. Grid prices have been quite low. Just buy the electricity at that price and turn around and arbitrage that and sell it for $85 and change, right, by mining Bitcoin essentially. Now, turning our attention to shares of Stronghold Digital Mining, the stock closed today at 50 cents a share. That's up about 4.82%. So all in all, not bad. And volume of about 1.7 million shares. So I think as we come to the end of this week, the big thing that's been on my radar, of course, is the price of Bitcoin. And that's really the story here. There's a reasonable chance that if the Fed were to pause or even cut rates, I think Bitcoin goes above 30,000. All eyes on next week. Of course, our countdown continues. Today's day 17. Tomorrow's going to be day 18. The electricity, markets never close. Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day. Our stock, right, will just remain where it's at for the weekend. But I'm going to be back tomorrow. We're going to keep up the momentum. We're counting down until we get our investor presentation. We're going to get so much cool information, I believe, shared with us about not only what happened in Q4 2022, but so critically, hey, what's going on right now? And I know we're all excited for that. And I think at this point, we're probably going to get that investor presentation right on at the very end of March. So we've got several more days to keep counting down, but this is kind of fun, and I think it's engaging, and hopefully I know I'm getting excited, and hopefully we're all just kind of saying to ourselves, hey, you know what? Things are they're starting to look good for us, right? They really are. When one of your core, input, variables, right, Bitcoin, is really starting to move up in price, that's a good thing, considering the fact our name is Stronghold Digital Mining. So I think it'll be kind of cool if we can kind of get back into the business of mining Bitcoin profitably, which I believe we've been doing. And certainly if we're importing power from the PJM grid to do so, our margins are spectacular, like truly spectacular. Hey, but if we happen to be generating all the electricity at our plants, worst case scenario, we're guiding towards net cost of power in 2023, beginning in Q1 right now, of say at most $50 a megawatt hour. I mean, that's still a very nice lucrative spread between 50 and Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour of $85.76. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Happy St. Patrick's Day if you happen to celebrate the holiday. March 17th, day 17. The countdown continues. See you tomorrow.